Buenos dias, Cuarto Amarillo. How are you? Today, I wanted to share un libro de colores about a chameleon, and then I wanted to do a painting activity, and we were going to experiment real quick. So I'm going to begin. The story is called A Color of His Own. Did you know that chameleons don't have a color of its own, that they change colors wherever they go? So I'm going to start the story. A color of his own. A green parrot. Parrots are green. Goldfish are red, or sometimes orange. Rojo, verde. Elephants are gray, and all animals have a color of their own. Except chameleons, they change colors wherever they go. Amarillo, verde, morado, y azul. They're kind of beautiful, aren't they? On lemons, they are yellow. In the heather, they are purple. Beautiful colors. Mucho. Muy bonito los colores. A mí me encanta. And on a tiger stripe, they are striped. Beautiful. One day, a chameleon was sitting in a tiger's tail and said to himself, "If I remain and I stay on this leaf forever, do you think this will stay as my color?" He wondered. With that thought, he cheerfully climbed on a green leaf, and then he climbed on another autumn leaf, and he started to change colors again. Beautiful. Later, he turned red, and then, after following that, the chameleon climbed down the branch of the leaf. Rojo. Still changing colors. How many colors did he change? The chameleon was black on the long winter nights. Negro. En café. One day, as he was walking around in springtime, he came across another chameleon. See that? He was café and the other one was green. And he said to himself, "Who are you? What color are you?" Then they both had an idea. The idea was, if we stay together, do you think we will stay the same color? And we could be alike. So they went off on a journey. And they remained side by side, green together, for a little longer than in the beginning. They walked through different fields. They turned into polka dots. Those are polka dots. They look a little happy. And that's the end of the story. But they really don't stay together, and they change colors. So this one is like an arco-iris one. So I wanted to do an experiment, and the experiment is this. We're going to use 3 colors. I wanted to try with you all to make purple. So these are primary colors, red and blue. And when you mix this together, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think maybe it'll turn purple? Let's find out. So I have here a napkin that is very, very thick. But if you want to use paper at home, you can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of red paint on this napkin. Just a little bit, not a lot. Got to open it. I'm going to squirt it on here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of blue. I only have acrylic. Seems to be my kind of pink. And then what I'm also going to do, I'm going to use a little bit of spray water. Just water in a container like this. And then I have a brush. And now let's mix it and see what happens. ¿A cuál color ves? Azul y rojo hace... ¿Qué hace aquí? Do you think it's turning purple? Or should I add a little bit more purple? Or should I add purple in it? Let's see what happens. Mixing is pretty fun. Have you ever tried mixing with crayons? So I added a little bit purple in there. Now, look at the colors. It's turning purple. I remember a lot of my friends in the yellow room used to like to do this, mix colors, and we would have a lot of fun. And now, something else I'm going to do. Or you could use a coffee filter. I forgot to mention that.